Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is my channel Hot of the Axis and my name is Shomi Paul. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to get more weekly videos like this. So today's video is going to be kind of a comparison and a review kind of video between Lakme Lip Love and Maybelline Lip Tints. Now Maybelline has launched Aria Loves New York Lip Tints a couple of months back, and it has caught everyone's eye because lip tints were something that we were missing in here in our country, because lip care products are very famous over here, but in spite of that we didn't have really good lip tints. We had lip balms but not lip tints. So Maybelline has come up with this Alia Loves New York Lip Tints Baby Lips, which are absolutely amazing. I have done a total review on all the shades. If you want to watch that, please click on the link over here that will be coming above. Over here, click on that to watch the full video and decide if you want any of it or not. So when it comes to lip products, we always look for, during the winter time, we always look for something that will moisturize our lips and also give us a little bit hint of color, because like, who doesn't want color on lips? So I know I do. Okay, so with that being said, these two are my absolutely favorite. So I will be beginning with Lakme Lip Love and will show you the swatch. And I haven't applied anything on my lips so that you can see how it looks on my lips, and then you can decide whether you want it or not. Okay, so I got this Lakme Lip Love in this Glam Box by Nykaa Winter Essentials that they launched a few months back. If I have done a full video on this about the contents of this box and the review of all the products. If you want to watch that, click on the link that will be coming above and you can watch the whole video and see the contents of this box, because this comes really cheap, and I guess the contents of this box costs 50% more than what you're actually paying for. So with that being said, let's just get right into the video. Comparing it to the Manhattan Mauve by Maybelline, because I guess both of these are kind of a similar, because they both have this cherry undertone to them. So I will be comparing these two in order for you to decide which one you want. So this is the packaging. This is how it looks like. Really bright, yes. And the amount of product that they are providing is up to this. And I will be providing all the price details over here, and you can also check out in my description box. I will be providing all the links of all the mentioned products in this video. Okay, so this is what the product looks like, and this is what the actual amount that they are providing. And it comes in a, like, please don't mind my nails. Anyways, so this is what the caps looks like, and I will show you the swatch. Where should I swatch it? I guess here will be nice. Okay, so this is what the swatch looks like. Can you see? Yes. Another thing is that this looks really glossy. Obviously, lip care products are not meant to provide you matte finish, obviously, but still I'm mentioning this. And it comes with a little bit of Vaseline kind of product in the middle that we all know we get in this. Previously, we used to get in the L18 lipsticks, something like that. Yeah, very similar. Very faint kind of fragrance, almost no fragrance at all. So I don't know if that is a plus point. So yeah, it doesn't have any added fragrance to it. So I will be applying it on my lips for you to see. So this is how it looks like. I will come a little bit closer for you to see. This is very similar to the actual product. As you can see, the color is totally similar, but I will tell you, like, it actually feels like when you apply a lot of Vaseline on your lips, this is actually what it feels like. So there you go. This is Lakme Lip Love Cherry, and this is one of my favorite lip care products, if you ask me. But I will be also comparing this to Maybelline Alia Loves New York Lip Tint. The name is so big. I mean, yeah. So I will be comparing it to this Lakme Lip Love Manhattan Mauve Baby Lips. I have done a whole video, as I mentioned. If you want to check that, I will be also providing at the end of the video a link to this. You can check it from there as well. So this is how the packaging looks like, and I will be removing this from my lips, and I will show you how it looks like. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. They come in 4 different shades. I have reviewed all of them. So this is what the packaging looks like, and it's really glossy. If you ask me, I prefer this packaging more than that. I don't know, it just catches my eye more than that. Okay, okay, this much. I mean, if you compare the amount that they're providing, you can clearly see the difference. Yes. Okay, also I have used this quite a few times, so it must have been much more than this. Okay, now I will be swatching it over here. Can you see? Now if you compare the color, this one is much brighter than this one. So I would say, like, the whole range of Lakme Lip Love lip care products, I mean this lip care lip balm, all of the shades are really mellowed down than compared to the Baby Lips ones. So if you are really looking for something that will pay off really good color and you don't have to apply another lipstick over your lip balm, I would suggest you should buy this. As you can see, this is much brighter, and also it has a very cherry fragrance to it, so I like that as well. This is really bright, yes, compared to Lakme Lip Love lip balm. So I would suggest you, if you're looking for something that will provide you a lot of color along with a lot of moisture, I would suggest you to buy Lakme lip sorry, I would suggest you to buy this Manhattan Mauve by Baby Lips. Much. I mean, if you compare the amount that they're providing, you can clearly see the difference. Yes. So okay. Also, I have used this quite a This is really bright, yes, compared to Lakme Lip Love lip balm. So I would suggest you, if you're looking for something that will provide you a lot of color along with a lot of moisture, I would suggest you to buy Lakme lip sorry, I would suggest you to buy this Manhattan Mauve by Baby Lips. So if you are really looking for something that will provide you a lot of moisture throughout the day and also provide you a lot of color along with it, I would suggest you to buy any of the colors from Maybelline Baby Lips Alia Love New York range, because these provide amazing colors and these just stay throughout the day. But if you're looking for something that doesn't catches the eye, like this is really bright compared to a lip balm, right? Lip balm and lip tints. But if you're looking for something that doesn't pay off really that much of color and you're just looking for something a little bit of hint of color along with lip balm, then a Lakme Lip Love lip balm is absolutely perfect for you. With that being said, this is the end of my video. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Please like this video if you found this helpful and share it with your friends and family who might need it. Okay, with that being said, bye, take care. See you in my next video.